Hey, how's it going? Jay Christopher, or the owners of Jay Christopher Salon. My name is Anthony Virgo. I actually work in the 14th Street neighborhood, and I walk past your salon every day. Wasn't sure if you needed anything like this, but just wanted to offer this as my service. Just in case you guys needed anything that could work 24/7 around the clock, never calls out, never gets sick. Just wanted to offer this for you. I see that your salon gets really busy. I'm pretty sure you guys get a ton of appointments. Just thought that you guys might benefit from something like this. So pretty much I walk past your salon almost every day. So what I'm gonna do is just take the information from your website and create an agent that works 24/7 on your behalf.
Hello, thanks for calling Jay Christopher Salon. This is Angel, the AI receptionist. How can I help you today?
Hey Angel, how's it going? I want to set up an appointment for my wife to maybe get something done tomorrow. She has a perm long hair, so wanted to see what you guys have available.
Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I can certainly help you with that. We offer perms as one of our treatments. To help me find the best availability for your wife, could you please tell me what specific service she is looking for? Also, do you have a preferred time tomorrow, February 3rd, or a specific stylist in mind?
Yeah, maybe I want to say at 10 a.m. if you guys are open to that. I'm open to the stylist. I see that you guys have a few, so whoever's open.
Thank you for that information. Our salon opens at 11 a.m. from Tuesday to Friday. Would 11 a.m. work for your wife tomorrow, February 3rd? We can certainly book her with the next available stylist for a perm.
Yeah, you know what? 11 is fine. That works.
Great. So, to confirm, your wife would like to book a perm tomorrow, February 3rd, at 11 a.m. with the next available stylist. Could I please have your wife's full name and a phone number to confirm this appointment?
Yes, her name is Jane Doe. I don't want to give the number yet. I'm going to just have her come in at that time, and then she could give you guys the information. Which stylist is she going to be working with?
I understand you'd prefer not to share the number at this moment. For a perm appointment tomorrow, February 3rd at 11 a.m., your wife will be working with Christian Ulade. He is a senior stylist with fashion show experience and is certified in smoothing treatments. Just to confirm, the appointment is for Jane Doe for a perm with Christian Ulade tomorrow, February 3rd at 11 a.m. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.